was another wet August day out there, and there's some more rain working its way in from the west, which will bring some scattered showers for the remainder of our evening into tomorrow. But there is some sunshine on the way for our weekend. I'll break down that first little forecast coming up after the break. A marginal risk 1 out of 5 here in this green area, although just off to the east of I-25, we do have a slight risk 2 out of 5. So here's our rain right now off to the west. That's going to continue to slide off to our east as we head throughout the rest of our day today, bringing around some more rain. This line of storms just reaching in parts of Minnesota. That's going to be what's impacting us later for our day today and then into this evening. You could say the town's good at politics.
Oh.
That's good.
That's a good one.
I've been thinking about it for a while.
Had some time.
It paid off.
Where that temperature and dew point are the exact same, that's where our clouds form, and it'll continue to ingest more and more of this heat and energy, and it'll build up higher and higher with that cloud. Breaking down our rainfall chances, that main line will continue pushing off to the north, and that will start to fizzle out with the heaviest rain being out of here. But those scattered showers, like I said, continue to push its way in. We could even see a few redevelopment of maybe a few thunderstorms tonight, because this smoke, unlike the last couple of times, it's been up in the atmosphere. This time it's going to be down towards the surface, so it will smell quite smoky out there. And looking at our high for today, it's 40 degrees, and you might say, well, I thought it was supposed to snow. Well, it's going to, and that high was actually earlier this morning. And then take a look at this, 50 on Saturday, up into the 50s, and we're well into November. Then as we head into the rest of our day on Wednesday, things will clear out just a little bit for our morning hours. Still staying cloudy out there, but we do have that possibility of some more showers and thunderstorms to develop. Well, Mother Nature was certainly busy early on this morning, and many folks across southern Minnesota woke up to a nice little bit of snow falling. Rainfall-wise, what we're kind of expecting, it's not going to be a huge rainstorm by any means, especially not what we saw a couple months ago with like those 7 inches of rain. Somewhere between that 1/4 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch here in the Twin Ports. It should be a beautiful weekend. We just have to get past this few days of rain.
Yeah, I'd say August would be kind of nice for the most part, seems like so far.
Oh, yeah.
Very, very temperate, very mild. It's been nice.
Yeah, been good to us. All right, thanks, Nick.
And good afternoon, everyone. Minnesota and much of our region is looking in for one final beautiful day before we have a few days of just a little unsettled weather. Temperatures right now across the region, upper 80s across northern Wisconsin, plenty of sunshine, 77 here in the Twin Ports. It is a little bit cooler by the lake with a little lake breeze, but across much of the northern Minnesota, we see those upper 70s, and those clouds are starting to work in, because off to our west here, we do see some rain and some showers. Those will start to spill into our region as we head later on to tonight and then into our day tomorrow. But looking closer to our region, there's no rain setting up right now. Just a few of those clouds are starting to work their way into our region. But what you don't see in radar is that smoke. That's on the upper parts of our atmosphere, and we have an air quality alert in effect until 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's going to be mainly these areas here in orange, which is unhealthy for sensitive groups. So if you have any sort of underlying health condition, just make sure that you're taking any sort of necessary precautions out there if you're going to be outside for an extended period of time. Otherwise, much of the rest of our region here is under that yellow, which is moderate. High pressure, though, off to our east. That's keeping us clear for the last couple of days. That will continue to push its way off to the east, allowing for low pressure to build in, bringing some chances of some rain for our day tomorrow, and that could even linger. As we see here, this low pressure will sit around and bring a few scattered wraparound showers for our day on Friday before it'll finally clear out as we head into our day Saturday. Breaking down these rainfall chances, these clouds work their way in as we head throughout our evening hours today, and we don't see that rain start to work until early tomorrow morning in the far southern parts of our region. That could bring some heavier downpours of rain, maybe even a few scattered thunderstorms are possible. Not expecting any sort of severe weather with this, though, and those showers will start to spill into the Twin Ports right around that rush hour time. So if you're going to be out and about with that morning commute, check radar, make sure that you're giving yourself a couple minutes, because things could be a little bit slower out there and it'll be a little bit rainy. We're not expecting any sort of thunderstorms or severe weather with this as those storms move through, and they'll continue to push up along the North Shore into the Arrowhead of Minnesota, along the South Shore, bringing some more rain chances through our afternoon. Scattered showers will continue throughout our rest of our day on Thursday and even lingering into our Friday morning before things will finally start to clear out with a few more scattered showers for our Friday afternoon, and then we'll clear out quite nicely for our day on Saturday. Rainfall-wise, it's gone up just a little bit. We're expecting anywhere between that 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches. Less rain the farther off to the northwest you go, a little farther down in parts of northern Wisconsin, and of course, we'll see a little heavier rainfall amounts depending on where that highest rainfall really starts to set up. The rest of our forecast, though, things are looking quite nice here. Besides that chance of rain tomorrow, much cooler. Temperatures of 69 for tomorrow, so we'll be Notice be cooler, like I said, and those showers could linger through our day on Friday. Temperatures will finally start to warm up a little bit, getting into those upper 70s, even close to 80 as we get into our day on Sunday. So it should be in for just an absolute treat of a weekend. And our average temp this time of year is 77, so it's right around where we should be as we head into next week. But for tomorrow, pack those rain boots, maybe umbrella, go splash around a little bit in some rain boots, might as well, why not?
Well, this is the time where, for those who have outdoor plans for the weekend, the rain is happening before that, and so, like you said, a little above average there.
Yep, thankfully should be a beautiful weekend, plenty of sunshine, very nice.
Okay, Nick, thank you very much. And still